Have you ever thought of an event without stress or continuous hustle? No? Then let me introduce you to Evenuefy, an all-in-one platform to take away the stress and hustle of organizing an event. From small-scale meetings to large-scale conferences and exhibitions, we have got you covered. From event responsibilities like registering, ticketing, networking, virtual presence, analyzing and many more are so easily enjoyable at your fingertips. Our all-in-one platform provides you with an automated system which helps you manage the event without any fuss or confusion. Our platform is not only easily accessible from anywhere in the world but also efficient and cost-friendly. Tasks like registration, ticketing, networking, marketing, website building, tracking attendees, badge printing, stay and travel arrangements, exhibitor manuals, lead captures, on-site check-ins, customization and white label solutions. All of these stressful tasks are handled by our platform to help you experience events like never before. For Evenuefy, there is no better feeling than when our events are running smoothly. Doesn't matter if it's an online event, hybrid event, or even an offline event. We are ready to give you a stress-free event. Then register yourself on our website, www.evenuefy.com, to start experiencing stress-free events today.